huge explosions create mushroom cloud above Putin-annexed Crimea after Ukrainian attack. 1 dead and 5 injured as smoke billows up from Russian military airbase 130 miles from front line after multiple blasts. Eyewitnesses reported as many as 15 distinct explosions in Novofedorivka, Crimea, followed by a larger blast. The explosions rocked a Russian-held military airbase home to a variety of fighter jets and freight aircraft. Airbase is located 130 miles from nearest Ukrainian-held region and Ukraine has not accepted responsibility.